We say all the time, we're not Mazda, we're not Toyota, we're Mazda Toyota. So we are a joint venture, and that in itself is very unique. But really and truly what's unprecedented is the fact that this is a brand new automotive vehicle assembly plant that started up with 2 production lines, building 2 brand new model SUVs. Neither parent company has ever done that, started up a vehicle assembly plant with 2 production lines. We did that here. This team did it. It's something to be proud of. I don't know if it'll ever be accomplished again. So this MTM family, this MTM team, along with all of our on-site partners that help establish Team 1, we did something really amazing. It's been an amazing journey from groundbreaking to the startup production on the Apollo line and the Discovery line that produces the Toyota Corolla Cross and the Mazda CX-50. It's been something that I'm very proud to be part of, very honestly. Now it's been a journey with bumps along the journey, some potholes, and very seriously some challenges that we have had to overcome. But that's one thing, again, I'm really proud of this team. It's come together as one team to solve problems, to overcome challenges, and really persevere through this startup journey.
Another thing we take pride in here is the teamwork and the collaboration of Toyota and Mazda as we coming together, sharing our deals to help better the company and help lift our team members up. I take pride in knowing that the company invested a lot in me to make sure that I had the best training and best skill asset to come back and start this company and utilize those training skills that I was taught to help train others and get this company started.
One day, my family went downtown for our art festival here in Huntsville, and we actually had a Corolla Cross out there, and I was able to show my children, this is what mommy made. And my husband was actually able to show our children, hey, this is what daddy made. And just the pride and seeing their faces like, my mommy and daddy made these? Oh my God, like they see these cars on the road every day, and just to put it together like, hey, my parents actually made this with their hands. It's me seeing a smile on their face and the pride, the Alabama pride in it. It's just, can't ask for anymore.